Well, place it right. Today we'll be using estimation to help us solve three-digit multiplication problems. Remember, it is okay if you don't get the correct answer the first time. So the objects for this assignment, number 1, identify values of digits in the whole numbers. Number 2, construct three-digit numbers that, when multiplied by one-digit numbers, will have products that match given clues. I will start this problem by looking at all the number options that I have. 1, 3, 5, and 7. Right away, I estimate that if I multiply 100 by 7, that would give me the answer, an answer too large for that to be a possibility. I notice that if I multiply 100 by 5, that gives me a number in the 500 range. Remember that it is just the number of, that is just an estimate, but it does work. This is a great starting point. That only leaves us the numbers of 3 and 7 left for the tens and the ones column. If I estimate 30 times 5 and 70 times 5, I find the only possibility would be, so we're going to put a 1 here. A 3 here. 7 here. And a 5 here. So that leaves us with 6, 85. There we have it. Put one number in each square, so the product is between 500 and 700. We have 685. That is between 500 and 700. Good luck with placing it right.